Good morning, and welcome to another episode of Born Suckers Elliott Wave analysis of WTI crude oil. So, picking up from the last video, I believe on the 27th of November, I had posted a video last week, and in that we went on to determine that this was indeed wave 5 over here, and over here was wave B, lower than wave 5. So these are primaries, of course, taking big picture. This is the daily chart. And going forward, we had completed wave 3, which terminated at the 1.618 extension of wave 1-2 here in the blue. I believe this is a minor wave, I've called it, yeah. So going forward, just want to bring your attention to kind of where we're at, and that would be wave 5. I believe, now this is the daily, can't always go by the daily, so we zoom in here and take a look at the 5-hour. Okay, so here we had this nice textbook ABC for wave 4. Wave 5 coming into 1, 2, 3 over here, and 4. Let's just have a look here. The fib extension from this point here, C, the beginning of wave 1 down to 2, or down to wave 1 rather. Let's just double check and make sure those coordinates are in fact correct. So we're going to go from the high 93.74 to the low, which is 84.72. Okay, pays to be on, completely right on the money here, and the high 90.10. So of course on the weekend, for some reason, investing.com turns off the numbers, the really nice numbers here that they allow me to denote what this line here is, and this is the 1.618 extension of wave 1-2 again, as we saw previously on the minor wave that I just didn't denoted earlier on in the video. So going forward here, wave 3, 4, and this looks to be wave 5 being the shortest. However, that is a little bit difficult to say that wave 5 is completely over, because within wave 5, and I'm going to zoom in here again to the 1 hour, get a closer look here. Here's wave 3, wave 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's all well and good. Wave 5, or wave 3 hit the, I believe this is the 1 point, wave 3 in the set of 5. What is that? That's 1.618. This is 2.618. So this was 3 right here. That really faint. I'll make it a little bit visible there. That's 3. Okay, so 300% of this. Okay, I'll just make it a little bit bigger, easier to see. That's 3. Okay, 3 on 3, and now A, B, C for wave 4. I'm not going to go into the percent retracement, but wave 5 came into being pretty big afterwards. So we went from, so if I go to 2 here, which is exactly where it's supposed to be, let's see now. Why can I not? What's this number here? 8 81.95 down to this low here, which is 76.83, yep, and to this high of 4, 79.89. Okay, but we're not hitting a number here exactly. We're not hitting a fib. Here's 100%. Here's 50%. Just make it a little clearer. Okay, that's all I've got marked out. We didn't even come to the 1.272 harmonic. So it's like stop short of 1.272 and continue to do a 1-2, which I'm going to just break down for you here right now. And we're in 6 minutes into the video here, and of course, anyway, I won't get into it. So 1, 2, 3. Let me just get closer into this. Oh, just delete that. I might have to make another video here today just to get into the peanuts of it. So here we had 1, 2. I guess this is a 3.618 extension right here. Yeah, 4.2. Okay, so let's just get down into this here, wave 5. Anyway, I'll do that another time here. Anyway, let's just get into where we're at. We're just going to end up wasting time over there. So, wish I could cut that out. Wasted time there. So anyway, we did that. I'll do that on my own time. This looks like a 1, 2, 3 here, somewhere's here. Right there and right there, giving us a 3 at 3.618. I don't know if you can see that. Let's just, of course, I can't have the levels ought to be on there, but they're not. Okay, so let's make it nice and colorful for you here if I can. Okay. Coordinates. Of course, you got to do this. 73.61. 73.61. Okay. Then this next candle here, this hourly one, is 74.59. Okay, and the low of this one for 2, 73.97. Pretty close. Give you that. Okay, so that's 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 up here. I guess that's the high, whichever one is the high here. Higher. 79.56. 54, 56. So 79.56. This retraced 100%. A, B, C, and continued higher. So this whole wave here, and I know some people are going to disagree. I would like to hear from you in the comments. Certainly welcome to join my Discord. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Giving us a greater 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to get to placing all of these here. Okay. Determining which one is which. Just ignore this one here right now. I don't believe that is. even in play anymore. So we got that one squared away. I'm not going to keep the same fib there, so we'll go to this high. I'm just going to eyeball them as we go along, just for ease of the time here. Okay, so here we go. If this is all one, we're going to change the color of this here. To pink. Call this a minute wave. So we're going to go. So 1, 2, right here. Just go right up to there. Okay. So 1, 2. Here's 100%. So whatever this wave here was, looks to be 3 at 100%. And then this wave here, A, B, C, may not be complete. Looks to be okay. So all of that can be, brought into a grader, which I believe, wherever that's going to finish, to and start the cycle again. That's not really clear and easy to see, but I'll fix that. Okay. All right. So something like that. That's what we're looking at. We're looking at the beginning of a new cycle, a new bullish cycle, wherever it takes us. We're not going to know until we see this greater wave 2 come in after this wave 5 is in. So anyway, that's what I've got for you. Hopefully, going forward, I know there's a lot of biases out there and whatever the fundamentals are saying. I'm not going to get into that. I don't trade by fundamentals. I think they're just there to distract and throw people off, throw traders off into exactly what is going on. So that's, it's the hourly chart there, going on in the 4-hour. I hope that keeps you occupied for a while. Oh, look at that. I didn't even draw it like that. You saw me. We're at 13 minutes here right now. So I just want to, give you an overview as to what to expect going forward. So we're going to make this a little bit larger as well. Okay. So if you have any questions or comments, I'd like to hear from you in the comment section below. And also information to join my Discord server is also in the description box below. And just throwing this out there, in the future I am looking to move things over or duplicate, mirror things over onto Rumble and seeing how that works. I'm going to try and actually upload this video up to Rumble and try and find me Born Sucker over at Rumble as well. With that, I leave you, and probably going to be trying to do a Elliott Wave analysis on gold and S&P today as well. So look out for that. Thank you. You have a great day and a great weekend. Happy trading.